Battle of the Brain is a HSI, specifically Hispanic-Serving Institution competition, 24-hour competition, but also a week-long event that they let you talk to companies, they let you go to career fairs, and then in one certain day, which was Thursday for us, was the 24-hour competition where it starts at 5 a.m. leaving the hotel till 7:30 the next day, being able just to come up with one business strategy on top of a computer science platform, which was a digital website we were able to make.
One thing I learned about myself during the course of this competition is that I really enjoy working with a team setting, and I really liked the aspect of each of the team members being there for each other and supporting each of us. And specifically when we were working on the case itself, we kind of like split the task amongst ourselves, and whenever we had a question, we just went back and like helped each other, and I thought that was very, very helpful for me.
I believe that if we all have the chance to express our opinion, give our proposal, that's how you end up with a good solution. And that's what I tried to do during the competition. Basically, we did all the paideia that we learned from Southwestern.
During the course of the event, I got to meet a lot of recruiters and employers. And one thing I learned from all of them is that interning plays a really huge part, specifically whenever you're going to go later on in the future and try to get jobs. The experience that you get from internships comes off as very valuable.
What I gained or learned from the company experiences were being able to see leadership roles that you wouldn't even be able to interact if you were just on campus. So speaking to Dell, eBay, Thrivent, being able to just communicate on a personal level and create those connections before the professional connections was a great experience for us to have as well.
My favorite fun activity was the marketing challenge, because we were at the domain and they gave us some list of places we need to find. It was cool to kind of figure it out which places they were referring to, then go with my team, and also we had to create a video and be as creative as possible. So we were all working together, and at the end we were the team that won that challenge, and we were able to get some pair of shoes for each team member, which was pretty cool.
I would totally recommend this for future SU students because the opportunity itself is something so valuable in that it provides a lot of experience, not just for the competition itself, but also in terms of networking and connecting with people and kind of like forcing yourself to think about what kinds of things you could be doing and what kinds of places you could improve on and how could you grow as a person, not just in a professional sense.